Hello, good evening, everyone. Could you confirm in the chat section that my voice is audible? I can see you here, nearly 4 members are there. So, could you confirm in the chat section that my voice is clear, guys? And you can see my screen also. Okay, thank you, Ritika. Thank you for confirmation. So, I hope you are aware of why this session, the YouTube session is. You have taken the assessment, and tell me how many of them you have taken the assessment very good. You felt happy. Yeah, I can able to solve at least 50% of the questions by your own, and like the easy level questions you have solved like within 1 minute, and like it may be the quite, if you feels that difficult, you have taken nearly 1 minute of time. So how would be, can you give me the little feedback about your the previous day of assessment? So how it was? Yeah. So anything you want to discuss? I hope, Ritika, you have taken the assessment, right? And who are others have taken the assessment, guys? Just could you confirm in the chat section? Yeah. Okay, tell me whether the assessment it was easy or it's difficult. How you felt? Okay, you have taken it, fine. So have you felt it was easy or it's difficult? Or you feel that okay ma'am, the moderate level questions I have received and I can able to solve it. How it was? Okay. So fine. I'm expecting answer from your end, guys. So who are in the session? So please reply. Okay. Okay. So I want your the our point of view about the assessment, because without knowing it, like how will I get to know that okay, what are the things we have done in the earlier training session? So how you felt? It was easy or it's a difficult, or you felt it moderate, ma'am? So out of 48 questions, I nearly answered correctly at least 20 questions, 30 questions. So what is your number of count? I want answer from everyone. So I'm just expecting also. Yeah, you can hear me, right, guys? So why the earlier session you are so interactive, and but today you're not answering anything? So I'm asking you only. I can see 8 students are there. The current viewers are 8 here. So I want the earlier students, my students, how you are active, the same, like I want for the same. I know it's an evening session and maybe you have fed up with some different type of hurdles, but yeah, you have to allocate this 2 hours of time for the revision of assessment. So I'm asking you that, like, how you felt. So out of 48 questions, how you feel that how many questions are correct? You have analyzed it, because usually what you will do means once you are finishing our any set of exams, you will calculate, you will overview about your assessment. Okay, this is my score, I may expect this much marks. The same as, each questions carries 1 mark, and there was no negative mark also, and the timeline is 1 hour. Everything like you have received in an email, and like, so approximately how many questions you have marked it as right? Yeah, so think and tell me. I will give you 1 minute of time to answer this. Okay. 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 I got feedback from Ritika that uh, she can't complete all the 48 questions. Okay. So here, thing is that you know that the navigation is allowed. So the navigation is allowed in the sense, for sure we will met up this kind of situation. So why? Because like, why you are attending the test means to get the right answer for that particular question. So now, if you think that that question is difficult, instead of finding its answer, better you go for the next question. So then you will not find the shortage of time. Yeah, agree that you should give answer for each and every question, but you don't know, out of 48 questions, there might be 8 questions are difficult, and 40 questions would be, there is a maybe the chance that might be easy questions will be there. The first you do attain the easy questions and the moderate questions, and finally you should go for the difficult question. The thing is, if you are taking nearly more than 60 seconds, 40 seconds, or 1 minute, if you are taking for that 1 minute for that one question, so then you should come up with the conclusion that okay, this is a difficult question, I should not waste much time for this question, I should go for the next. For example, okay, you came till 38 question, 10 questions are pending, because like due to this issue you have taken more time for one question. So maybe in that 10 question there is a chance that all the 10 questions are easy, or maybe out of like 50% there is a easy questions, there is a chance is there, right? So that, good Ritika, this is your query. See, what are the things you are faced in the assessment, let me know, I'm here to help you out. If you follow this, so don't spend more time for the one question, so skip. Just first you analyze all the question which you feel. For example, okay, the reasoning questions, like it's easy for me, so attend first the reasoning questions, then go for the QA question. In the QA questions also you might feel some easy topics also, and easy questions you may get it. So likewise you have to answer it first easy, because 15 minutes if you are allocated for easy question means there might be chance that you will take only 10 minutes to solve that easy question, because you are pro in solving easy questions. But when it comes to the moderate and a difficult level question, for sure it kills your time. You can add up. Yeah. Okay, Ritika. So you can add up your time to the moderate and difficult level question. Okay, fine. So then the conclusion type of questions took little more time. Yeah, guys. This is, you should keep in your mind that the previous drive in TechM, so the most of the questions are asked in the conclusion, the statement conclusion. And here statement conclusion will be simple, I will tell you. And permutation combination also you have taken more time, right? Okay, it's fine, no worry. Today we are just covering all the questions who are come across during your assessment. We are doing the revision, so I will give easiest way to solve such kind of problems, no worry. Okay, good Ritika, thank you for your feedback about the assessment. The rest of you, any difficulties you have faced during your assessment? Okay. Okay, I hope no, because I'm not getting any response from you guys except Ritika. No problem. The thing is, yeah. So as usual, so before getting into the revision, I have very simple question. I want you to answer this. So tell me, so how you can crack this question? Okay? The question is like this: how we can crack this question? So using only addition, how can you add 8 to get the number that is 1000? How you can achieve this? So we'll see who is going to answer this question, or who is going to crack this logic very quickly. Okay, you have 30 seconds time to think. Okay, so still you are thinking about the same one. So you have to use only addition. How can you add 8 digit to get the number that is 1000? Okay, we'll see. We'll look into the solution. So here, you know how many number of 8 I can consider? That is 8 number of 8 I can consider. So you have to perform only the addition. Agree or not? You have to perform only addition here. So now, can I write this a such a way that 8 8 8? Okay, so 5 8 is completed. Sorry, out of 8, 5 8 is completed. That is 8 8 and one more 8. Okay, so if I add all this 3, so you know that this is how much I do get it. So this is exactly 40, because 5 8s are 8 5s are 40, and there is, this is 16 plus 4 is 20, and the carry is 2. So finally I can achieve 1000. So you may think, so this type of questions where you will ask, or where they will ask, it's simple that maybe the HR during your interview time, so they want to check your problem solving skill, so directly they will give such kind of question. So that's why, because when you feel that you are free, look into the YouTube and logical based questions, solve this type of questions. So for sure you will crack such kind of question, and also it will help you to solve more problems based on this. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Could you confirm in the chat section that yes ma'am, it is clear? So the solution is clear for each and everyone. Anywho, I have taken 8 number of 8s, but the how I arrange, it's like first 3 eights, then 2, then 11138. So the total is how much I do get it, that is 1000. Agree? Okay, say yes or no, guys. Okay, so today we are discussing about aptitude, that also you are aware of is the revision about all the assessment questions. And this is our first question. Tell me how many of them answered this question, because now you can recall what are the questions you have received during your assessment time. This is the question which is based on probability. So why have given the probability question means, again, the most of the questions are asked in probability, permutation, combination, statement and conclusion, coding and decoding. And the rest of the topic they have asked one question from logarithm and the fraction. So now by looking at the question, so just which answer you marked it as a correct, type it in the chat section. So the question is like this: Nina has 2 bags, that is M and N, with apple and oranges. So M bag has 3 apples and 4 oranges and N has 6 apples and 5 oranges. So now when a fruit is drawn from the bag randomly, so what is the probability that both the fruits are apples? So your target is to take only apples and you are taking a single apple from each bag. So then what is the answer, do we get it? And you know that always the probability how it works means, so probability, you know the formula. So this is always favorable outcome and divided by total outcome. So I will give you 30 seconds of time to think about the solution. So tell me what is the answer to this question. What is the answer? Just guess. You have 4 options, right? What might be the answer to this question? If it is right or wrong, no problem, give your answer. Okay, fine. We'll look into the solution, and you know that here consider this is a M bag and this is N. Okay, so here you know M bag consists of 3 apple and 4 oranges, and here n bag 6 apples and 5 oranges. Agree? When you want to take a fruit from the bag randomly, what is the probability that both the fruits are apple? So which means here, when it comes to the favorable outcome, how many apples do we have? That is 3. Out of 3 you are taking 1. Agree, right? A fruit you are taking, and both the fruits are, and out of 6 apple also you are taking 1. So what about total outcome? How many total number of apples do we have? That is 9. C2. Anyhow, from bag 1 you are taking 1 apple, and the another bag n you are taking 1 apple. Total number of apple you are taking once at a time. How much it is? 2. So if you simplify it, because you know the concept, NC1 is always gives you the value of n. So that is 3 into 6. I do get it in the numerator part. And when it comes to the denominator, NCR formula, like we already discussed this NCR formula, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is n is 9 here, 9 factorial minus this is 9 minus 2 means directly I can write it, that is 7 factorial. So 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. So the 7 factorial gets cancelled. 2 factorial I can write it as 2. So how much I do get it? That is 4. Okay. So 9 4s are, this is 36. So 6 1s are, 6 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So finally my answer to this question is, that is 1 by 2. See, it's this only. This is the solution to this problem. It's not a difficult question. So within 1 minute I solved this question, because to write all the things I have taken time, because I want to explain you, right? So that, but if you are solving means you are taking 3c1 into 6c1, and once you are simplifying less than 1 minute you can crack this question, you know, right? So here 12 questions carries 15 minutes. So the 3 minutes, it's like for you, means 1 minute you are not taking exactly 1 minute. It's quite, you can take it as more than 1 minute also. Okay. Tell me any doubt based on this problem, Ritika? The permutation combination, okay, the permutation combination you told it's quite difficult for you, but this is probability. Have you solved this problem? Do you remember that you got the same answer or not? And the rest of you who are here also, just tell me whether you got the same answer or a different answer. So then we'll look into the next type of question. See, this question is also just based on probability. From a box that has 3 red and 4 black pencil, so from a box that has 3 red and 4 black pencil, Sachin wants to draw 2 pencil. What is the probability of getting at least 1 red pencil? So this is your question, and just try to find out what would be your answer, and again I'm going to give you 30 seconds of time to think about this problem. Okay, start getting answer from your end. It's good. I'm expecting others to give the answer. Okay, good. Here, from a box that has 3 red, 4 black pencil, Sachin wants to draw 2 pencil. What is the probability of getting at least 1 red pencil? So here, at least stands for what? At least 1, minimum 1 should be there. Then 2, maximum is 3. Why? Because how many red pencil do we have? It is 3 only. So either Sachin can take 1 or 2 or 3, but his task is to take only 2 number of pencils. So first what we can do in the sense, out of 3 pencil, first if he is choosing 1 red, and for sure out of black he should choose 1 more pencil. Why? Because he has to take 2 pencil. Otherwise, if he is taking 2 red pencil itself, because at least 1 should be there, now he can't take all 3 red pencil once at a time. The thing is, his task is to take only 2 pencil. Either this way he can do it or this way he can do it. Again, this is NC1 means you will get the value of n only. So 3 into 4 means that is 12, and this is 3 factorial, 2 factorial into 1 factorial. Again, we know that. So you will get the answer as 3. R means you will do the addition over here. So total is 15 ways he can achieve it. Okay, but this is what only my favorable outcome. You can check, see, exactly directly they have given option C. 90% you can mark your answer that option C, but still you feel that I want exactly 100% sure about your solution. Yeah, that also you can do it. Here how many pencil do we have? So the total number of pencil is, that is 7. In that, if any possible way, if he is taking also, he is taking 2 number of pencil only, so that is 15, and 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. I will simplify here, 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. So this is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. This get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes. So yes, directly you can mark your answer as, that is option C. So 15 by 21. Yeah, Ritika, you are right. So the answer to this question is, that is 15 by 21. Good. Any doubt based on this problem, guys? Okay, super. So now there is a next question. I want you to give the answer to this question. Okay, think and tell me what is the answer to this question. expecting answer from your end, guys. Okay, good. I got answer from Ritika. So what about others? What what is your answer? Okay, good. So here Rahul wants a red or blue ball. So a bag contains 4 red balls, 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. He picks ball from the bag randomly. So what is the probability that he will get a ball that he wants? The thing is whether he want either red or blue. It's anything is fine for him. But he has to take only one ball, he has to take it. And you know that R stands for what? It is addition. Agree or not? It's R stands for addition. So now here 4, 3, 2 number of balls are there. The total number of ball is 9. Just let it be. This is red ball and this is green and this is a blue. And here he picks a ball from a bag randomly. What is the probability that he will get ball that he wants? What ball he want? Either red or blue. So now anyhow he is taking only one ball out of it, because see, A or B. There is a chance that out of 4 red he is taking one, or out of 2 he is taking 1. NC1, that is 4 plus 2, and its NC1 is 9 only. 6 by 9, it's nothing but a 2 by 3. So the right answer to this question is this. See, he is taking, for example, if he get one red ball means he is no need of taking blue. He is taking only single ball. R, so that's why you have added it. Out of 4 red he is taking 1. R means addition, right? So out of 2 blue he can take 1. So total possibility of taking, that is 4. But what about total? Total ball is, that is 9 balls are there. In out of 9 balls also he is taking only 1 ball. So that the right answer to this question is, that is 2 by 3. Super, Ritika. You are absolutely right. And your answer is also correct. And the rest of you, what is the answer to this question? Okay. So now this type of questions we call it as the statement and conclusion. If you look into the question only, you will get an idea. They have given three statements and the respective that you have to check. Thing is, you're not solving here. You're checking that whether you can able to answer this question or not. Okay? You can able to answer this question or not. Here, you have to check, okay, here question is there, answer is also there. But from which you can answer it, by using which statement you can answer the given question, that you have to check. So how you can achieve this? Who among the 5 friends, that is A, B, C and D, is the tallest? Okay, so your target is what? You have to find out among 5 members, so who is the tallest one. Now if I considering the first statement, B is only taller than D. Okay, B is only taller than D. So the statement is what? D is there, right? This is taller than only D. From taking the first statement as a consideration, can you able to find out who is the tallest? No, right? The statement alone is not sufficient to answer it. But if you read out the second statement, A is shorter than E but taller than C. Okay, so that is also the one more. And think and tell me, so what might be your answer? And there is a one more, B is not the shortest. Statement third is B is not the shortest. So if it is right or wrong, no problem, just give your answer. So think and tell me, because I'm expecting an answer from your end. No problem, if it is right or wrong also, no problem. Okay, good, I got the answer. For sure you can say the statement one alone is not sufficient, you should go for the next. If you're taking the next, and what would be the answer? Or if you feels that the second statement is also not sufficient, means for sure you should go for and take combining all of this. So while combining all of this, whether you can able to answer it or not. That's how you can crack the statement and conclusion based problem. Okay, so no worry, I'm going to give the solution to you guys. here B is only taller than D means we don't know, like I'm just writing B is only taller than D, but the rest of this we don't know whether there, but there is a comparison between this is B is only taller than D, so I'm taking this as the increasing height. Now A is shorter than E and but taller than C. So there is a one more statement that A is shorter than E but taller than C. Again there is no connection between here, whatever the persons are there B and D, there is no connection. Like we look into the third statement, B is not the shortest. So now B is not the shortest in the sense, see there is B is only taller than D is there, and B is not the shortest in the sense obviously B would be the tallest one. Agree? So if you are considering the first and this should be second should be there. Okay, considering the first and third statement, you can mark your answer. Why? Because only B is the only taller than D, because the rest will be comes here only, and there is B is not the shortest. B is not the shortest means obviously it will be the shortest. Shorter means you can come with the conclusion, but shortest, the definite they have given it, so that for sure it would be the taller one. So that's why considering the first statement and the third statement, you can mark your answer. That's how. So you don't go for complete simplification, so you are just checking whether you can able to answer it or not. That's how you have to solve the statement and conclusion based problem. So then it's clear for you guys, it's clear for everyone. And okay, and there is a next question. So read out the next question. A college has 10 basket players, 5 members team and a captain will be selected. Out of these 10 players, how many different selections can be made? So how many different selections can be made? Thing is, out of 10, you know that this is a combination problem. Ritika, you felt that the combination problem is quite difficult, right? So try to figure it out what would be the answer to this question. So a college has 10 basket players, a 5 members team and a captain means total 6. So out of 10, if you are considering 6 players, and in 6 players only there is a possibility that 6 captains you can do it. And what is the answer do we get for this? We have 30 seconds of time. Time has started. Yeah. Sorry, in middle I'm coughing because my health is not good. See, a college has 10 students, that is basket players. The first thing what you can do means, you know the total number of students is 10, and so 5 members team and a captain. So means out of 10, how many of them you are selecting? That is 6 of them you are selecting. But a captain will be selected out of these 10 players. How many selections can be made? Now a college has 5 members and a captain will be selected out of these 10 players only. So who are players, in that only there will be one captain will be there, right? Because you can't take other captain, because the total number of count a single team is that is 6. So in that 5 members and one captain. The total team is 6 members a team. Okay, so 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. So this is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. It's whole divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. You can do the simplification. So this will be how much I do get it. 560 you will get it. Agree? Sorry, it is 720. This is 24. So 72 and 24 means absolutely. Into 7 also I missed it, right? 6 factorial, it's got cancelled. So this is 3 is a means 30 is a, and it will be 210. 210 means, so just considering out of 10 persons, 6 if you are taking means 220 ways you can do it. But in that also, how many team members will be, like 6 is there, so in that 6 1 is nothing but a 6. I can maybe, for example, I can choose first person as the captain, or a second person as the captain, and also third person as the captain, or it may be the fourth person or a fifth person. It says finally the sixth person. Total there is a chance to choosing a single captain is 6. So this will be how much I do get it, 1 to 6. So the right answer to this question is that is 1 to 6. See here factorial is there because they're not asking us to arrange it, just we want to work on selection. When comes to the selection, so there is no comes under factorial, so that's why the option C is got eliminated. But see here they had chosen only 5. No, totally we are choosing 6, but in that only, right, in a team only we have to choose number of like the captains count. Okay, otherwise if you feels that still this difficult means out of 10C and total 6 members are there, in that you want to choose it, that case also you will get the same answer. So this is 1260. Okay, instead of this there is a chance that 10C 6 into 6C1 means, in such cases your answer is right, but now it's a wrong answer. Okay, so the right answer to this question is that is option B. It's clear, right? Okay. Good. Now we'll move on to the next question. A lady gives a dinner party to 5 guests to be selected from 9 friends. So the number of ways of forming party of 5, given the 2 friends will not attend together, means total number of guests is 9, but she has to invite only 9, but the 2 friends should not come together. How you can achieve this? What is the answer? Okay, so we'll look into the solution first. It's simple that A lady gives dinner party of 5 guests. So total is 9. So what I will do means, for your understanding, I'm just taking A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Total 9 members are there. The number of forming party of 5. So I'm considering, okay, this 2 are, you can take it as anything. This together I'm not taking. If I'm taking HI also, 2 of the friends will not attend the party together. So now, if I'm first case, if I'm not considering the 2 friends together, so how many friends, like total number of guests are there? That is 7. Out of 7, she can choose 5. And okay, this is a one way of selecting. Or so out of 7, she can choose 4. And see here, 2 of them she's not calling together, right? Any one of them she can call, right? Agree my point? You can consider any out of 9. 2 friends means total number of count is reduced to 7. In that 7 she can take 5. Or she can call any one among this, but not together. So that's why, but she has to call only 5 members. Okay, she want to call only 5 members. So there is 2 possibility. And tell me, or means addition. So what is my final answer to be get it? See, the simplification will not take more time. See, what is like, it's not more than 10 lines also. Just not more than 5 also. Within 2 lines we will get the answer. So then what is my answer? Yeah? Guys, are you with me? You're listening, right? Okay. So this will be 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. So this is 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, it's all divided by 2 into 5. This will get cancelled. 3 is a 21, I do get it. And for this case, 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 only, because NC. Okay. So as I given you that 7 factorial is 5040. This is 6 into 24. Okay, instead of doing this, okay, we'll do it in very simple. 7 into 6 into 5, 4 factorial get cancelled. This is 6. This is how much? 30. 5 into 2 means that is 70. So 21 plus 70 means what? 91 ways she can call, invite the guests. Okay, 91 ways she can invite her guests to her home for the party. So the right answer to this question is, that is 91 ways. It's clear for everyone? Could you confirm in the chat section that it is clear? Yeah, it's Nirupama. You're right. It is 91. Good. So now there is a next question. This is important question. How many of them solved this question? Tell me. This is very much important question. You know, because collinear line you can't form a triangle, but you should consider non-collinear line. So how many of them solved this? The sides A, B, C, D and A, B, B, C and C. If a triangle that is ABC, 3 points, 4 points, 5 interior points respectively. The total number of, very good Nirupama, you have cracked this, 205. Okay, good. Option B. Okay, yeah, it's right. Good. So I want answer from others also. Yes, you are right, Nirupama. The same answer you are marked in during assessment also. Super. Okay. So now we'll look into the solution of this problem. See, if I'm considering this is the triangle, it A, B, C. So AB it consists of 3 points and BC is 4 points and this is 5. Let it be the number of points. Just tell me how many number of total points do we have, interior points, that is 12. Okay, to form a single triangle, how many points we needed? It is only 3 points. Agree. So out of 12 points, so if I'm taking 3 points means how many triangles I can form it? Exactly 220. See, if you simplify, so 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial into 3 factorial. So 12 into 11 into 10. So this is 6. 6 ones are 6 twos. So 22 into 10. Yeah. So this is 220. You will get it. 220 triangles you can form. But in this triangle, lines are not in collinear, means they all are in collinear line. I want non-collinear, right? So non-collinear line only it will form a triangle. So that here see, in the base of AB, so 3 lines are there. So these 3 lines I can't form a triangle. So this is one triangle I can't form because all the 3's are in the same line. From these 3 lines I can't form, because I can form a line but I can't make it as triangle. And also if I'm considering BC, so out of 4 I can taking this 3 or anything 3, this 3 or vice versa, because why I'm taking 3 means to form a triangle, so 3 points are needed. So again, by taking a base, so 4 triangles you can't form. Then what about AC? Yes, 5 dots are there or points are there. In that anyhow I can take 3 of it, but the rest of it again it comes under the collinear only. So finally 10 I do get it. So here 15. So you can say that here, so the 15 see total number of triangle that can be constructed using this vertices. So 220 you can form it, but out of 220 15 it's gone, means exactly you can form. So 205 triangle. Okay, why we are not considering this means, see these 3 lines I can't make it as a single triangle, but in this 4 means this. Okay, in this 4 means this also I can't form, this also I can't form, but leaving one I can form it. When comes to the 5 also, single collinear I can't form it. So that's why this many with this something set of interactions will be there, but still this many triangles you can't make it. So out of 220, if I subtract 15, you will get the answer as that is 205. Okay, any doubt here in this? It's clear for you guys? Okay, so we'll look into the next question. At an election, there are 5 candidates and 3 members to be selected, and a single voter may vote for the members of candidates not greater than the number of to be selected. Then the number of way in which voter may vote is. So this is your question. Yeah, Kalyani, you will get the result. No worry with this, because only 2 days before only you have taken the assessment, or yesterday only you have taken the result assessment, right? We will give the result. Don't worry about it. Okay, wait for this week. Yeah, I got answer from Nirupama. It is 25. Good. What about others? What is the answer to this question? See, a voter can either give 1 or 2 or 3 votes. Okay. First we'll look into the solution. At an election, there are 5 candidates, 3 members to be elected. So 3 members to be elected in the sense, a voter may vote for the number of candidates. It is not greater than to be elected. It's nothing but a number of elected person is 3, which means he can vote for 1 or 2 or 3. Agreed? So now, so out of 5, he has chosen 1. There is a chance out of 5 he can vote for 2. Only 3 members he can elect. So out of 5, again he can vote for 3. So here anyhow 5. So this is 10. So this is, if he is taking 3 also, this is also 10. Why? Because see, 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So this is 5 2, 5 4, 3 factorial. Okay. That anyhow it's get cancelled. 2s and 10s. Okay. 10 10 only. It's same as it is. Total, how much he can do it? So 25 votes he can do. Because the number of ways he can vote for either 3 or 2 or it's his wish. But because the single person, he can choose only one, or he can choose 2 of them, or he can vote for 3. So the right answer to this question is, that is 25. It's good. Any doubt here in this? Okay, super. And there is a next question. So before getting into the question, I want to give you some reasoning question. So then we'll come back to this. Okay, solve this reasoning question. In a certain code, Newark is written in stable 1 and New Jersey is written as what? So this is your question. So whatever the questions we have skipped, we will go back to it, but because we'll look into some problem which is based on reasoning. Okay, I got answer from Nirupama. Good, Nirupama. Just assign the numbers, and if you add them means you will get the answer. See here, this is n is 14 plus 5 plus 23 plus 25 plus 15 plus 18 plus 11. I have told you during the session timing that you can remember, because n, it's like 4, it's 14 Roman, and E comes under EJOT. Y. W means, see, this is 23, it's like 23, and Y is X, Y is Z, Y is Z. 25. O is 15, R is like, say if I write like this, this is consists of 1 and 8. K is like King's 11 Punjab, or like, see, this is two broken lines. If you make it straight also, you will get it. If I'm taking sum of all this, 19 plus this is 48 plus this, you can take all this sum. How much I do get it? The same value you are getting it. Yes? So I hope you are doing the same. This is 33 plus 11. I can write it as, that is directly 44. I can write it. This I will get 1 month. And what about New Jersey? This is also 14 plus 5 plus 23 plus J is 10, and this is 5, and R is 18, this is 19 plus 5 plus 25. Add all this, 19 plus 33 plus 23 plus this is 24 plus 25. If you do this, all this, 62 you will get it, because see, 72 you will get it. Agree? 24 plus 25, exactly this will be 72. So 19 plus this is 52. See, 4, this is 12. You can mark your answer as, that is 112. It's simple that it has taken its position value, and finally you got the answer as, that is 120. Yeah, Nirupam, the previous question you just says 124. Good. It's right. Yeah, good. Now there is a next question. In a certain code, Haryana is written as 8497. What about Delhi is coded as? So tell me, what is the answer do we get for this? Okay, Nirupama has given her answer, that is 45389. Yeah, it's right. It's simple, right? You can look into here. See, H, this is 8 is there. Option, this is got eliminated. Option C is got eliminated. Then A is for 1, R is for 9. It's nothing but a C, Haryana, right? 8, 1, this is 18, 25, 1, 14, 1. 8, 1. So here 1 plus 8 they have, because the position value of R is 18. But they have did it as 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So the same thing they have coded as 9. And then this is 7, because 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. 1 as same as it is. This is 5 and this is 1. And if you apply the same logic for Delhi also, this is 4, no doubt. And directly you can eliminate this also, because the number it starts from 4. And this is 5. And H is 8, this is 3. Why? Because 12 1 plus 2 is 3 and I is 9. It's very simple question. I hope you have answered this question. So the right answer to this question is, that is option A. Yes. Okay. Now look into the next one more question. Okay. Yeah. We'll solve this question. In a certain code, triple is written as SQHOD, and how you can code for dispose. So this is same. First number 20, it's became 19. 18, it's became 17. I hope you got the logic. 9, it's became 8. There is minus 1 is there. And what is my answer? What is the answer to this question, guys? Okay, I got a quick answer from Nirupama. Super, Nirupama, keep it up. Good, I got answer from Dhanushri also. Super. So here, yes, absolutely, you are right. You know the pattern here. If it is minus 1 means obviously that would be how much? This is T is 20, this is S is 19. Okay. So you say that your answer is D. It is correct, guys. Answer is D only. Check your answer once again. See, triple, right? TRIPPLE. Position value is 20. This is 18, 9, 16, 16, 12, 5. Then it's coded as SQHOOKD. This is S is 19, 17, 8, 15, 15, 11, 4. See, exactly every is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. For sure, each and everything should be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 there, right? So this is dispose. If I do, this is 4, 9, 19, 16, 15, 19, 5. Minus 1 means 3, 8, 18, 15, 14, 18 or 4. This is C H R O N R D. So the answer to this question is that is option A. I hope you got the logic. Yeah. No worry, because if you feel that question is so easy, there is my chance that you will mark it as wrong also, but don't exact it exact. Take your own time and answer the question. Okay, super good. Now the question which is based on direction. Neeraj starts walking from a point M towards east direction to reach N, which is 25 meter to east. Then he is taken right and walks 30 meter to reach point O. From O he is taken left and turn, walks 25 meter to point B. Then again he is take left turn and walks 20 meter to point Q. From Q again he has taken left and 30 meter. Then he has taken right and turn, walk 15 meter. So they're asking which direction he is now from with respect to N to R. Okay, I hope you have answered it. Okay, no problem, Nirupama. Now tell me what is the answer to this question. Neeraj starts walking from a point M towards east direction. You know, north, south, east, west. He will start walking from point M towards east direction, means if I'm considering this is M, east direction. So east direction to reach N. Okay, which distance is 25 meter. This is 25 meter. He has reached N. Then takes right turn and walks 30 meter. You know, right is means obviously it is downward to reach O. To reach O, that is 30 meter, he has taken right. From O again he has taken left and walked 25 meter. So 25 meter reach P. Okay. Then again he has taken left and walks 20 meter. See, not exactly, because this distance is 30 and he has walked how much? Just 20 meter. To reach this Q, it's 20 meter. Okay. From Q, he's taken left and walks 30. 30 means, see, this length is only 25. For sure, he should cover, like this will be 5, 25. Agree? To reach R. He is in R now. Then he takes right turn to walks 15 meter to reach S. So he has taken right. This is obviously, see, 30, 20 means here distance is how much? 10. No need of moving this, just 10, and this is 5 meter. Okay, to reach yes. And finally he has taken left to reach the point 20 meter. See, this is actually the distance is 25. This is 5 means exactly where he will come, where he has started. They're asking in which direction N with respect to R. Which direction N with respect to R. So which direction is there? That is exactly northeast. We'll see. I hope you got my solution. The answer to this question is northeast. How many of them answered as a northeast, guys? We know that we will not use any scale over there. You have to assume this is 30 meter, 25 meter. Obviously, when he has taken left, he has taken 20 meter, right? Yeah, Nirupama, it's right. Yeah, good. Super. It's clear for everyone, guys? Okay, so now we'll solve one log problem. Okay, we'll solve one simple problem. If a profit rupees 1200 is divided among three persons, that is ABC, in the ratio 5:3:4, what is the B share? I want answer from very quick from your end. Good, I got very quick answer from Nirupama. This is very simple question. Super. It's C. Here they have not given the value. They have given it what? Ratios they have given. Total their profit is how much? 1200. Okay. But their partners is in the ratio, that is ABC is 5:3:4. Now this is just a ratio. Value means 5x, 3x, 4x. So total how much? It is 12x. Total profit is 1200. 12 ones are 12. X value you have calculated, that is 1000. Sorry, 100. X value is, it is 100. Then if you substitute B, okay, option 12,000. Okay, I have added one more zero extra. Okay, this is one more zero is there. Okay, this is 1000. If it is 1000 means obviously the answer is C. Please guys look into this question because there is one zero is missing over here. This is actually 12,000, not 1200. Okay, so 12, it is 1000. X value I got it. If I substitute for, because this is A, B, C value, so B share is, that is 3000 rupees. Good, super. Now yeah, solve this question, the log question. The previous training session I taught you this, the log based problem. Good, I got very quick answer from Nirupama. The value of log 2 is 16. It's good. So 16 I can write it as 2 power 4. Agree. If the base and the number is common means what do I get it? That is 1. It's very simple question. This kind of questions I hope you have answered it. See, log to the base 16 is there. I can write this 4 not 4, I can write it as 2 power 4. Again it is 16 only, so 4 and log to the base 2 both is common, so what do I get it? That is 4. It's very simple question. Agree. This property I taught you, this is the power. If the power means it comes to the multiplication, 4 into log to the base 2. So base and the number is common means the value is 1. So 4 into 1 is, that is 4. Good. Now, day after tomorrow is my birthday. Means day after tomorrow means that is you got to know. Day after tomorrow means one day after it. Birthday. On the same day, next week falls Holi. Okay. Today is Monday. What will be the day after Holi? So this is your question. Good, Dhanishri. You're right. It's 4. Okay, I got very quick answer from Dhanushri. Very good. Super, Dhanushri. It's right. Yeah, it's right. You are right. See, today is Monday. Today is Monday means day after tomorrow is my birthday. Means today is Monday. Day after tomorrow means Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday is her birthday. On the same day, the next week falls Holi. Means same day means same Wednesday only the Holi falls. What will be the day after Holi? That is Thursday. Okay. Yeah. So the right answer to this question is that is Thursday. You are getting my point. Today is Monday means day after tomorrow is my birthday means day after tomorrow. Then one day of it. So Tuesday, Wednesday is her birthday, and the same day next week is falls. That is Holi. But what is the next day of Holi is it's Thursday. Good. The both of you have cracked it. The rest of you, I hope you find the answer. So don't feel to hesitate to give your answer in the chat section. So give your answers. No problem. Okay. Now there is a next question. Okay. Where? Okay. This we have solved. Okay, this is good question actually. This is also asked in Tech M Drive. Age difference between A and C is 12 years, while age difference between B and D is also the same. A is older than B and B is younger than D. If the average age of B and C is 30, then what is the average age of A and D? Okay, you have 30 seconds time to think. Tell me what is the answer to this question, guys. Good, Nirupama, so quick. Good, Dhanushri, super. It's simple. If you go consider this equation, so you will get the answer for this question. See, the difference between A and C is 12 years, as also same for D and B also. They have given average age of B and C is 30 years. Good. Okay. Think for a while because I want others to answer this. look into the solution. So the age difference between A and C is 12, but I can write this as, which is equals to A equal to C plus 12. This I'm taking it as one equation, and difference between B and D is also 12, means same. So I'm taking, because we have to calculate A and D, right? So that's why I'm making D, I can take it as B plus 12. Anyhow, this is equation 2, and there is a one more statement that average of B and C is 30. You know, average formula is what? Sum of all the observation divided by and total number of observation. One second, my writing pad orientation is not good. So sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So here sum of observation they have given. Sum of observation is, that is B plus C, because B plus C, and total number is 32 and average is 30, but still I can write it as B plus C equal to 60. This is third equation. Now here, you know, B plus C together value is 30, and B is also here, C is also here. If I add first and 2 means, what do I get it finally? A plus D is equal to C plus D plus, directly I will write it as it is 24. So this is 60. Okay, this is total is 84. A plus D sum, I got it. How we can calculate the average? Sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So sum of observation is 84 and total is A and D 42. Yes. So the average age of, let it be this statement, whether A is something, let it be, but they're asking us to calculate this, right? So directly you can mark your answer as that as 42. Okay. This is clear for everyone, guys. I know you have given the answer, super. It's the same the same thing you have solved in your during exam time also. If you got the same answer, means I'm so happy for that. Okay, good. So then now we'll solve some reasoning. Okay, this also you will solve. Okay, the age of two friends is 4:3 and sum of their age is 28 years. Find their ratios after 8 years. Will be, after 8 years, what is their age? So this is our question. Okay, I'm expecting answer from you then, guys. Okay, what is the ratio do you get for this? ages of two friends, that is 4:3, will be the sum of their age. It's nothing but a 4x plus 3x is 28 years. Agree. 7x is 28. So 7 4s are x is what? 4. Then the ratio after age after 8 years. After 8 years, this is anyhow. So now, so this will be 16 and his will be 12 years, right? If I'm substituting 4 into this, 4 4s are 16 years age, and 4 into 3 is, that is 12 years age. After 8 years means I'm adding 8 to it. How much I do get it? This is exactly 24. He is 20. So then 10 is to 12 I can do it. 6 is to 5 I can do it. So 2 friends. Then what is my answer? No one has given the answer. You are getting my point, right? After 8 years. After 8 years means now I'm considering 2 friends. One boy is 16 years age and one boy age is, that is 12 years of age. So here they're not mentioned any respectively thing. If you are mentioning the respectively thing, you should go. But anyhow, 6 comma, if I'm considering A comma B or B comma B, we can say that 2 boys is 5:6. I'm not telling you 5:6 is equal to 6:5. No, it's wrong. But here 2 friends 4:5 is in the ratio, right? Well, their sum is 20. Is the ratio of their age after 8 years will be, if there might be the chance that the comparison between second person to the first person, or there might be the chance that first person to the second person. So that's why you can mark your answer as, that is option B. Okay, super. It's right. Write it down. And then here this we have solved. Okay, tell me what is the answer to this question, guys. BIGEJQOMRYWE. So what is the answer to this question? BIGEJQOMRY. First thing is that you are writing its number. 2975. 10, 17, 15, 13. Just look into the comparison and tell me what is the answer to be get for this question. So that is your right answer. I'm expecting answer from your end, guys. I got the logic. And what about you? I'm expecting answer from your end. So there is a my chance that plus it is there. Yeah. See, BIGE. So 2975. JQOM 10, 17, 15, 30. So this is exactly plus it. This is also exactly plus it. This is also obviously plus it. This is also plus it. Now RYWE 18, 25, 23, 22. plus 8 it means what? So 18 if you are doing plus 8 means 26, you do get it, right? 26 means exactly Z. This option is got eliminated. Then if I do plus 8, this is 33, you will get it. Agree? If it is 33 means, see, 26 is Z. Then you want 7, only 7, right? 1, 7 means what? That is G. So directly you can mark your answer as that is option A only. Yeah, Nirupama. Yes. Joshna, you are right. Good. This is the backward, the position value they have considered. So that's why I have considered this problem again. We'll look into this also. W is 23, right? If I add this, this is exactly how much I do get it. That is 31, I do get it. Yeah, 31 is nothing but here 3 it's gone. Still 5 is needed. 5 nothing but E. Then yeah, directly you can mark your answer as that is V plus 8 means that is exactly 30. So in this 4 is gone, till 5 is gone, so till 3 is needed. 3 means that is C, and you can mark your answer as that is option A. Good. I hope this also you have solved, right? What is the answer to this question? 2W3 S19 Q17 dash 111 means, see, W is 23. How they have written means 2W3 like that. 23, 19, 17. So minus 2. Just think about the logic. This is anyhow minus 2. This is how much it is, minus 5. Sorry, minus 4. And what is the answer? Do we get it? I want you to think. Obviously this is not your answer, this is not your answer. With this two only you have answer, and this will also not be the answer because it's coming in the same pattern, right? See here, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, because if I am fixing M3 means minus 4, minus 2. So the right answer to this question is that is option A. Good, Varshita, you are right. Super. Tell me what is the missing number in the given series? 11, 17, 39, 85. So what is the missing number? Okay, I'm expecting answer. Okay, good. I got answer from Nirupama. Nirupama, check your answer also. Good that you are given her answer. This is quite difficult question. Okay, good. Good, Dhanushri. Have given your answer. Good, Nirupama. We'll look into it. So, because this is the logic of this question is completely different, but you should aware of they may ask any set of logic behind based on number series. First, see if you look into this. So here anyhow you can say plus 6, but there is again there's a drastic changes there. Yeah. So it's not the proper increment is going on. There is some other logic is there. So this is 22, and if you look into this 85 and 35 means that is 4, and this will be 46. You will get it, the difference. But the increment is also not in the proper order. But one thing you can say that all is odd. For sure the next number also be odd, and directly you can eliminate option A, and out of 4 you have eliminated 4 option, means now the rest is 3 options are there. Sorry. So 3 options are there. Agree? 75 chance that you will get the right answer. Now if I'm fixing 91, just how much it's got increased? Only 6, but there is a drastic increment is happening, and you can eliminate this also. 50% chance that you will get the right answer, and you have an answer between these two only. Okay, now how I can achieve this? 11, how this became plus 6? Here plus 2 is got, plus 22 is got increased. Now 11 plus 3 square minus 3, 17 plus 5 square minus 3, 39 plus 6 square minus 3. So this is not coming, right? Even is not. 3, 5, 7. Odd they have considered. 46, because 49 minus 3 means 46 only we are getting it. Then 85 plus odd 11, 3, 5, 7, which is the next 11. 81 minus 3. How much I do get it? 85 plus 8. I hope you are getting right. So if I'm doing 85 means that is 163, 78, 3, 16. Actually the right answer to this question is that is 163. This kind of pattern is important. Here they have considered 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd square minus the same minus 3 did it. So finally you got the answer as that is 163. Okay, it's clear for everyone, guys. And if you feel that you might miss some of the solution which is based on what I have learned in the today's session, I hope you are having a link, you can go through it, and you are expecting your result also. You will get it, you don't worry. Okay, so any doubt is there, guys, please let me know. And I have covered the maximum questions that comes in the previous assessment. So do more problem which is based on TechM previous year questions. Okay, all the best for your coming drive also, and also stay tuned about your result. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for attending. You can leave for the day. Have a good day. Nice dream. Good night. Bye bye. Take care all. This is clear, right, for everyone? Yeah. You will receive an email about your result. Okay? Don't worry about it. You will receive the result. Wait till this week. Yeah, welcome, Dhanishri. No. So the result will comes through the mail. If anything is update is there, means that update also you will get from through the mail only. No worry about it. So the Tech Mahindra drive as of now, so it's there is no update, but anything we will update. I hope there is a very less time of span of time you will get the Tech M drive. Maybe this week, because you be ready. Maybe tomorrow also you may get it, or day after tomorrow also you may get it. So be ready for it. Okay. But I know, because by looking at your answer, I can say that you are start preparing it. Okay, don't worry about it. If anything is there, we will inform in prayer. Yeah, Dhanushri, it's fine. Without informing you, nothing will happen, but anyhow, you will get the mail. Start preparing and keep preparing. Yeah, take him. The first round will be virtual only. Okay, the first round will be virtual, and when it comes to the second round, also virtual. Technical is also virtual only, but HR we are not met it like this is as of now it's virtual only. The first you will be having QA, RA, and one essay will be there, right? Okay, so that is first round. Once you are clearing the first round, you will go for the communication part, listening skill, that part will be there. Okay, so after that you will be having technical, but the first round is that is QA, RA, and one essay. Thank you so much, guys. I hope my session will helpful for you. So enjoy your day. Take care. Bye bye.